What is going on, beautiful people? It is I, the Obscurist Tourist, here once again. And I have to admit to you that I am feeling absolutely fantastic today. I couldn't be feeling any better because I'm one step closer to normality on a personal level. I just got vaccinated, so I am a Pfizer brother. Felt a little bit crappy the first day, but now I'm in the groove of things, and hopefully it's onward and upward from here on in. Another reason I'm feeling great is today is my 6-month anniversary of not having a drink. I haven't had a beer in exactly 6 months. That is crazy. You can see a link below to a video I did back in November, or I started right at the end of November, my 1 month no drinking journey at the beginning of the second lockdown. And obviously I've hit a few other markers along the way, and now I'm at 6 months. So yay me. And well, if you can see behind me, that is the chimney of the Linseed Oil Factory, and I have been here before. And again, I will put the link down below and you can watch that video of when I went inside. So today is strictly a external and overview because I got a drone, so I'm going to give you some cool shots from above. But I'm just going to give you a pretty brief history of linseed oil, because if you're like me, I had no idea what the hell linseed oil is and what it was used for. So let's go. Let's give you the history. The Canada Linseed Oil Mills factory, right here in the heart of Toronto. The Canada Linseed Oil Mills buildings have been standing here for a little over 100 years, and I say buildings plural, but really there are only 2 buildings left standing. There were a series of buildings built here back in 1910, and this one right behind me is the main building. But for the past 40 years, it has all but remained completely abandoned. Forgotten, really. I mean, I've been walking by here for decades, and I've noticed it, but never really thought much about it. So the story of this factory begins way back in the spring of 1910 when Montreal-based Canada Linseed Oil Mills Limited, that's a mouthful, they began construction on this very building and its sister buildings soon thereafter. And the location of it was perfect because it was right beside, or is right beside, the Canadian Pacific Railway lines. By that time, linseed oil had become a thriving industry. Derived from flaxseed, linseed oil was used as a binder in oil paints, a valuable waterproofing agent in canvas, and it had become popular as a wood finish and used as an ingredient in varnishes. Linseed oil was also used in the manufacture of linoleum, of which it lent its name, and was a key ingredient in oilcloth, a popular precursor to vinyl. Linseed oil was also used as an edible product, used as a livestock feed, where it aided in both digestion and helped improve an animal's coat. Because who doesn't love a beautiful animal? Its uses didn't stop there, however, as linseed oil also found its way into the mouths of humans as a cure for the common cold, bronchitis, asthma, and as a cough syrup. Of course, at the same time, linseed oil was suggested as a popular home furniture polish and carpet cleaner. What? Over the ensuing decades, the Canada Linseed Oil Mills buildings underwent several alterations, mostly expansions, as I previously mentioned. While several nearby businesses came and went during Canada Linseed Oil's tenure, one of the main industries remained unchanged along Sorauren until World War II. Canada Linseed Oil Mills itself appears to have closed its Toronto operations in 1969, likely precipitated by a gradual decline in the popularity of linseed oil. The oil mill site was purchased by the city for $2 million in 2000, and efforts were subsequently taken to decontaminate the soil and remove the asbestos fireproofing. The hope among the project supporters is that the linseed oil plant, which once employed local residents and helped make dozens of domestic products, can one day again benefit the community, this time in the form of public space. However, as of 2010, this has yet to happen. Well, that's it for me today from the Canada Linseed Oil Mills factory, or what once was the Canada Linseed Oil Mills Limited factory. It's taken me a while to perfect saying that without fumbling it, so I'm going to say it as much as I can because I like to show it off. I like to show off my verbal skills. The Canada Linseed Oil Mills Limited factory. Yeah. Stay safe and stay beautiful. And until next time, this is the Obscurist Tourist. See you later.